Yo, Pierre, you wanna come out here?
What's good, guys? At the last What's good, guys? At the end of the last video, we said we were gonna get the car towed. We said we were gonna bring it to a shop. We said, nah, forget that. Forget a fuel leak. We gotta keep working on the build. So we're gonna worry about the fuel leak later, and we're gonna continue installing Mega Squirt, continue with the intercooler and everything, and yeah, let's get it. Here we got all the gas that leaked out. Oh, she full. I don't want to get gas on my hands there, but with premium gas being 140 per liter, this is liquid gold right here. So you can bet I'm gonna put that back in the car.
New turbo back exhaust? I think so. Yo, what's he doing? Yo, what's he doing, bro?
Yo, okay, so here at the Dry Boys headquarters, you know we always got the latest and greatest and coolest tech. So here we got the brand new light bulb.
Oh!
Cut. Okay, so here we got the latest and greatest, coolest light bulb.
Oh!
Yeah, now you're good. You can see everything. You can see that fat turbo spool.
Oh, you can. Oh. Okay.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh, dang.
Okay. Hold on. Wait till you see the turbo. Psych. Okay, I'll show you what we did for the Mega Squirt now. Come around here. You see this son of a. Okay, so we drilled the top right up there and the bottom right, and then when we drilled the the bottom left one, you guys know what happened there. Okay, so we drilled that one right there, just straight into the frame, not one of the real holes, and that's because it didn't work out last time.
They ask you how you are, you just.
But she's on there good. She's not coming off, hopefully. And if you guys are familiar with Miatas, you're probably wondering what this is. I'm pretty sure that's for the ABS brakes, which most Miatas don't have, but since this is the special edition,
Flex gang,
we got the ABS brakes, which is kind of a pain actually, because it just makes it harder to install stuff. So now that we got Mega Squirt installed, we're gonna be drilling and tapping right around here for the intake air temperature sensor. Did this before. Oh, there we go. Come on. Oh!
what the heck? We got a problem.
Got a problem. Engine blown.
That's next step.
Wouldn't be surprised if I blew my engine. Yeah! Yo.
Something like to say about that?
No.
Right?
Yo! Ah! Ooh. Just some blow off valve that's probably gonna leak on me and gonna have to be replaced in a month. Looks good though.
Yeah, weird. That's actually clean.
4. Oh! There we go.
Easy.
What is that? Okay, so I drill and tapped a hole for this. I've never used a tap before. The only thing I've ever tapped was your girl. Guys, no, for real, I've never really used taps before, so I'm hoping this went well. It's looking good. Fits in there good. I think I'm just gonna have to use the wrench to get it in snug, but it looks good so far.
Bros, I just need a pesos. I can't do no fakes. I can't do no fakes.
Oh, hey. He could go all the way. He could go all the way. Oh. Welcome back to American Ninja Warrior.
Oh, yo, is he really gonna do it? Is he really gonna do something? Backflip, backflip, backflip. You boys don't even want to know what's under the hood, fam. You don't even want to. Yo, you don't even want to know. Yo. Get it, fam. Y'all don't want to know.
Yeah.
Yo. Oh, what? Alright, boys. Time to give Missy the pipe.